my lovely chefs. Welcome to Recipe Specialty, where we show you how to make a variety of recipes from eggs to eggceptional. In this video, I'm going to microwave eggs in a mug for the first time in my life because I saw it on Instagram. What I used to prepare this was a fresh egg, non-stick cooking spray, milk, shredded cheese, and good old salt and pepper. With that said, let's start cooking. Start off by spraying a microwave-safe mug with the cooking spray. Make sure it's coated throughout, just like so. Then you're going to simply crack an egg into the mug. In this place I'm trying 2 eggs just because it seemed like it would fluff up but not overflow. And I was right, 2 eggs was about the right size for this size mug. Next, you're going to grab your milk and pour it in, not using a lot. It's basically a little bit more than a couple splashes of milk, maybe 1/4 cup. I didn't want to overflow it. Then take a fork or a spoon, give it a good stir, almost like you're scrambling eggs inside the mug, which is essentially what you're doing. You're scrambling the eggs inside the mug. Pop it in the microwave. And in this case, mind my finger, I crushed it and lost the fingernail. Sorry about that. I'm cooking it for 30 seconds, and that's what you get. It's fluffy, but it's not that big. Give it another good stir. Once it's stirred through, you can tell that it's not quite finished cooking, but the heat is going to finish it off. Add in your pepper, add in your salt, and give it another good stir. Incorporate the seasonings. You could tell that it's still cooking. The heat is finishing it off. It's not as runny as it used to be. Then you're going to add in some shredded cheese. In hindsight, I would have added more. Give that another good stir, and then you can tuck in and eat. Not the best that I've ever had, but it'll do in a pinch. This beats yogurt 5 times a week, and it's nice to have a warm breakfast occasionally. If you all like this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the website. Ultimately, let's eat!